What's up, everybody? Welcome to livecasebreak.com. This is Tim. We have two single box breaks here. Bowman draft for Danny. April 16th, 2014. Here we go. I'll switch up the music here. Gautier. There we go. I wish Danny was in the room. We had a funny lost my voice there. Funny conversation today about Chinese. Danny, I gotta bust you. Danny didn't know what General Tso's was, so I had to bust him. Nothing worse than picking on a man when he's not in the room to defend himself either. Grab a drink of water here, guys. My voice is shot. I've never seen that product, Lizzie. Yeah, this was a special purchase just for you, Lizzie. We bought 20 boxes of this. All for you. Alright, good luck, Danny. May we pull you a beast. For anybody in BGS grading for April, by the way, guys, we pushed that up. We're going to send it out at the end of this month, the beginning of May. We only had 25 cards, so rather than charge you guys more to send it out, we figured we'd save it a couple weeks and send it out at the beginning of next month. We will definitely have enough cards then, because 14 Bowman will be out. I'm sure we'll have plenty of cards that need to be graded. Just so everyone's aware of that. They don't have it in Australia. No, they don't have it in Australia. Yes, yeah, Whitney, yours were in that one that was going to go out at the beginning of April. We just didn't get any other cards in. We had the website launch to deal with. We got sidetracked, and we had to delay it. Jeff, I think I have a note. Let me see if I do. There's a gold in here for you, Danny. Gold. Jeff, if my memory serves correctly, there was a Tanaka coming from Florida, right? I believe that's what it was, and you wanted me to check it out for grading. Possibly send it in with this next one. We'll find out if my memory is correct on that. These drafts aren't opening for crap, Danny. The die cut X-Fractor in there, looks like. Okay, cool. Aha, my memory didn't fail me. And the last stack. Danny's out to lunch right now. He's going to check this video when he gets back. In case anybody's wondering why he's not in the room. Blue. That's a throwback sapphire there. There he is, Danny. There's Danny. Yes, this is you, bud. Just starting, too. Perfect timing. All right, here we go. Left-hand side. Good luck. Get a refractor of Kato. Decent card there. Probably $1. 50 cents, maybe. I don't know. I haven't checked what he's selling for lately. There's a sapphire. Todd Helton. Refractor of Jake Sweeney. Crawford and Maffey. Hunter Green and Archie Bradley. We got an Aaron Judge refractor and some base. Nice. Yeah, but Greg, did that one have a Nationals logo patch like yours? Hunter Harvey, 495 out of 500. 495 out of 500, Harvey. Another dollar card. Refractor Cole Stewart. Garrett Cole, future of the franchise. Reese McGuire, Chrome. Nothing in the first. What the hell that song was, but it was driving me nuts. Refractor Gonsalves for the Twins. Mason Williams blue for the Yankees, 59 out of 500. There's your auto. There's your boy, Nick Quifo for the Rays. There's your ink. Nice sharp auto, no smudges, no lines. Tampa Bay. So there's your auto in the first box. Get a die cut coming up, looks like an X-Fractor. Kaminsky, refractor. It is Johnson for the White Sox. That is the X-Fractor die cut. Micah Johnson, 36 out of 99. Micah Johnson. Breakouts, X-Fractor die cut. Shipley refractor and some paper base. I would say, Greg, I'd say you could get 300 for that realistically. Especially if Harper goes on a tear, man. He needs to go on a tear for you, though. His stuff's coming down a little bit lately. Sean Hurley, Silver Ice. Blake Taylor, refractor. Nick Franklin, orange paper, 153 out of 250. Nick Franklin. Sanchez and Oliver. And Alan Webster. There's box one. I don't know which side the gold was on. I don't know. Let's see. I think it was on that side. Jeremy Hadley, refractor. Paper blue, Austin Nickley for the Stros. 348 out of 500. Oh, there's your second auto. Oscar Mercado. Not to be confused with Oscar Taveras. So St. Louis Cardinals, Oscar Mercado, shortstop prospect. Second auto, so Quifo and Mercado. Got a refractor of Ethan Carnes. Cato and Jeanette. Oh, your gold is on this side. Well, we'll see what it is here. Here's your gold. Landecker for the Pirates. 34 out of 50. 34 out of 50, Adam Landecker. Pittsburgh Pirates, gold refractor. That, honestly, it looked like a canary at first, but it's obviously gold. Had that canary yellow look to it, but those are retail. Fegley. Silver Ice, Fraser. That's a nice card. Couple bucks there. Fraser, Silver Ice, base, and base. Dylan Manwaring. We've got Thomas Martin and Paulino. Zomiak and Baez. We got a Matt Barnes orange, 78 out of 250. 78 out of 250 and some base. Here's the last stack. Last stack mojo for you, Danny. There's a Wheeler Chrome and a refractor. Back to back. Maybe you got some waves in here. Jeanette Refractor. Gaddis. Sangrani and Gas away. Kubitska and Efferts. Refractor Molina. Christensen and Westmoreland. Nothing yet, man. Looking like duds so far. Hopefully that's not the case. Here we go. Final stretch. Ricardo Batista for the Cardinals. 215 out of 500. DJ. We got Andrew Jones. Sapphire Throwback. Gasaway Refractor Chrome. Ozuna Easton. Last Chrome. Solar. That's it, buddy. Nothing I can say there. Not the greatest boxes of draft. Set these in your stack over there. Let me know what to do with the stuff from these, Danny. I'm assuming sell the autos and the die cut. And pretty much everything else except the gold. Sell the gold too. The Silver Ice Fraziers. Probably worth a couple bucks. I don't know. I haven't looked it up. Alright, let me save this video for Danny. And Lizzie, you're up. Give me a box pick. You got left, right, or middle?